everybody! Do you want to learn how to swim?
Yeah!
Well, I'm Captain Splish. I'm the superhero of swimming. Come on, let's go!
Step right up! Step right up! Are you ready to learn how to swim? All right, then. Let's get in! Splish, splash, we're learning to swim from double bubble to jumping in. Learning can be easy if you know what to do. Listen to me while I teach you the moves. Tie-dye step, arms open wide, then open wide your window, place your face inside. Sit in the underwater chair. How low can you go? Pick up, say, choo-choo kicks on the side of the pool. Make rain on the train, chug, chug, choo-choo. Splish, splash, we're learning how to swim, come on, get in. Splish, splash, pool in the pool, shoulders and chin in. Splish, splash, we're learning how to swim, boys and girls, get in. Splish, splash, when you do the round step, splish, splash is the best. Now you got it. All right, here we go. Now you're ready for a few new steps. Pop to the top, your arms, now your legs. Float like a boat, light as a feather. Birdie wings, keep your feathers together. Push and spread, birdie arms, move ahead. It is what a froggy says. Now bend open, shut your froggy legs.